Aging is an inevitable part of life, yet the choices we make can significantly influence how gracefully we age. While we can't stop the clock, we can certainly manage its effects by incorporating nutrient-rich foods into our daily diet. Among these, certain fruits stand out for their remarkable anti-aging properties. These natural powerhouses are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that combat the harmful effects of free radicals, reduce inflammation, and promote overall cellular health. In today's video, we'll take a deep dive into 3 incredible fruits that not only taste amazing, but also work wonders for your health and youthful appearance. And if you stay until the end, we'll reveal 2 bonus fruits that are just as transformative. Let's get started. Our first superstar is the strawberry. This vibrant red fruit with its sweet and tangy flavor is a true nutritional powerhouse. Beyond its appealing taste, the strawberry is loaded with vitamin C, a critical nutrient for maintaining a robust immune system and supporting the repair of body tissues. Just 1 cup of strawberries provides your entire daily requirement of vitamin C, helping to protect your body against infections and illnesses. But that's just the beginning. Strawberries are also rich in manganese, a trace mineral essential for optimal brain function and nervous system health. For expecting mothers, the high folate content in strawberries is a significant advantage, as it aids in healthy fetal development and reduces the risk of certain birth defects. Strawberries also shine when it comes to fiber, promoting a healthy digestive system by regulating bowel movements and preventing constipation. However, the true magic lies in their antioxidants, including anthocyanins, ellagic acid, and quercetin. These compounds act as powerful defenders against oxidative stress, a process that accelerates aging and increases the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Regular consumption of strawberries can improve skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and protect your skin from UV-induced damage. Additionally, their anti-inflammatory properties support heart health by lowering LDL cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of arterial plaque buildup. Recent studies even suggest that strawberries may enhance cognitive functions, keeping your brain sharp and focused as you age. Next up is the orange, a classic citrus fruit loved for its refreshing flavor and juicy texture. Oranges are synonymous with vitamin C, and for good reason. A single medium-sized orange surpasses your daily requirement of this vital nutrient, which plays a central role in immune defense and collagen production. Collagen is a structural protein that maintains skin firmness and elasticity, reducing sagging and wrinkles while giving your skin a radiant, youthful glow. Beyond their beauty benefits, oranges are a rich source of B vitamins, including thiamine and folate. These nutrients are crucial for energy production, supporting your metabolism and ensuring that your body's cells function at their best. The benefits of oranges extend far beyond vitamins. They contain dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and supports weight management by keeping you feeling full longer. Oranges are also packed with potassium and calcium, minerals essential for maintaining heart health and strong bones. What truly sets oranges apart is their abundance of antioxidants, such as flavonoids and carotenoids. These compounds neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. A specific antioxidant called beta-cryptoxanthin, found in oranges, has been linked to a lower risk of lung cancer and other forms of the disease. Moreover, the vitamin C and antioxidants in oranges act as a shield for your skin, protecting it from environmental damage caused by UV rays and pollution. This not only delays the onset of visible aging, but also promotes faster wound healing. Incorporating oranges into your diet is easy. Enjoy them as a snack, squeeze them into fresh juice, or add their zest to your favorite recipes for an extra burst of flavor and nutrition. Now, let's talk about the kiwi, a small but mighty fruit that packs an impressive nutritional punch. Native to China, and now famously associated with New Zealand, the kiwi's bright green or golden flesh and tiny black seeds make it a visual delight as well as a health powerhouse. Incredibly, kiwis contain more vitamin C per gram than oranges, making them one of the best choices for boosting your immune system and combating the signs of aging. They're also rich in vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health, and vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects your skin and cells from damage caused by free radicals. Kiwis are an excellent source of potassium, helping to regulate blood pressure and maintain proper fluid balance in the body. Their dietary fiber content supports gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria and aiding in digestion, which in turn enhances overall health. One of the most remarkable aspects of kiwis is their polyphenol content. These powerful antioxidants work synergistically with other nutrients to reduce inflammation, prevent cellular damage, and slow the aging process. Eating 1 or 2 kiwis a day can significantly boost collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. An interesting fact about kiwis is that their skin is entirely edible and packed with additional fiber and nutrients, so don't shy away from eating the whole fruit after giving it a good wash. Before we wrap up, let's reveal our 2 bonus fruits: pomegranates and blueberries. Pomegranates, often referred to as the jewel of winter, are not only visually stunning but also incredibly nutritious. They are loaded with punicalagins and anthocyanins, antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. Pomegranates are particularly beneficial for skin health, as their high vitamin C content aids in collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Studies have shown that regular consumption of pomegranates can improve heart health by lowering blood pressure, improving blood flow, and reducing cholesterol levels. Incorporate them into your diet by sprinkling the seeds onto salads, blending them into smoothies, or simply enjoying them as a snack. Finally, we have blueberries, the small but mighty berries packed with flavonoids like anthocyanins. These antioxidants give blueberries their deep blue color and are known for their powerful anti-aging effects. Blueberries support brain health by improving memory, focus, and overall cognitive function, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain mental sharpness as they age. They're also great for heart health, helping to lower LDL cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and improve arterial function. Whether added to your morning cereal, blended into a smoothie, or enjoyed as a snack, blueberries are a versatile and delicious way to boost your health. By incorporating strawberries, oranges, kiwis, pomegranates, and blueberries into your daily diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to combat the effects of aging and promote optimal health. Remember, true beauty and vitality come from within, and the choices you make today will shape your future well-being. If you found this video insightful and inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Together, let's continue exploring the best ways to achieve a healthier, more youthful life. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.